Welcome to ClassPoint. My name is Emily and I'm a knowledge producer at InkKnow. In this video, I will show you how to turn your PowerPoint slide into an interactive multiple choice question using ClassPoint. In this example, I have a question slide where I want to test my students' knowledge about mammals. To turn this slide into an interactive multiple choice question, I can click the multiple choice icon from the ClassPoint ribbon, which then places a button on the slide. You can move and resize it as needed. Let's look at some of the options you can configure. On the Question Property panel, you can define the number of choices, whether to allow students to select multiple answers, and whether this question has any correct answers. We will come back to the competition mode later in another video. In this example, I have 4 options, so I don't need to change the number of choices here. I am going to allow students to choose more than one options, although the only correct answer is D. Congrats! You have just turned your question slide interactive. Easy peasy. During slideshow, the auto-generated class code is displayed in the top right corner. Students can use any device with a browser and head to classpoint.app. After entering the correct class code and their names, they will be able to join your class and interact with you. When I click on the multiple choice button, the question slide is then sent to my students along with the options. As they submit their answers, the chart will live update itself. At the bottom, you can see the number of responses you have received, a timer, a toggle of responses display, and a Close Submissions button. You can minimize this dialog to view your slide, but the submission is still open and the button shows you the live response status. Click it to open the dialog again. Now I will close the submission. I can see the activity summary, show the correct answer to my class, and identify who have submitted the wrong answer. Since we have run the question and collected student responses, the button now turns green. We can click on it any time to view responses or restart the question. In edit mode, you can review student responses by clicking the View Responses button here. If you decide to discard the saved responses, click here and the multiple choice button will be reset to the original blue colour. Now you know how to create, run and review your multiple choice question in ClassPoint. Please explore our other types of questions on your own or visit classpoint.io/resources for more tutorial videos.